Now move on to next question number 5. A sum when reckoned at 7.5% per annum amounts to rupees 3,920 in 3 years. Find the sum. So in the question, what is given here? The sum is not given, a sum. So we have to assume it sum be rupees X. Here rate is given 7.5% and amount is given rupees 3,920 and time is given 3 years. So we are writing whatever given in the question. First we will write down, that is sum equal to rupees X, rate equal to 7.5% per annum, which is equal to improper fraction 15/2% per annum, amount equal to rupees 3,920, time equal to 3 years. So for calculating principal, we need SI. So SI equal to PRT by 100. So rupees, then P in place of P we are assuming that is X, and R equal to 15/2%, 15/2 into 100, and time equal to 3 years. After simplification we will get SI equal to rupees 9/40 X. Amount equal to principal plus simple interest. We are assuming principal is X plus SI we calculated earlier 9/40X is equal to, in the question amount is given rupees 3,920. Now this is one equation. Now we have to solve this equation. Take LCM, that is 40, then 40 plus 9/40 into X equal to 3,920. 49/40X is equal to 3,920. Therefore X is equal to 3,920 multiplied by 40 divided by 49, which is equal to, after simplification, 3,200. So the required sum or principal is equal to rupees 3,200. Question number 6. At what rate percent per annum rupees 3,600 amount to rupees 4,734 in 3.5 years? What is given in the question? Now we are going to calculate rate percent, then per annum. Rate percent is always calculated per annum only, and rupees 3,600 it is principal. Amount to, that is amount is rupees 4,734 and time is given 3.5 years. Make it as an improper fraction, that is 7/2 years. So principal, amount, time, rate we are going to calculate it. For finding rate, the formula is 100 into SI divided by P into T. But in the question SI is not given, so first we have to calculate SI. What is the formula? We know that amount equal to principal plus SI. From this formula we have to derive simple interest equal to amount minus principal. Amount is given here, that is 4,734 minus principal equal to rupees 3,600. After subtracting, simple interest is equal to rupees 1,134. Now we will apply this value SI, principal and time, everything we will apply in this rate formula. Rate equal to 100 into SI divided by P into T. So 100 into SI is 1,134 divided by P equal to 3,600 and T equal to 7/2. So it is in denominator, so we will write as a reciprocal, that is 2/7. After simplification we will get 9% per annum. So rate equal to 9% per annum. In question number 7, a sum of money becomes 8/5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. So what is asked in the question? We are going to find out rate of interest. Here it is given, sum it is given and becomes 8/5 itself it is given, sir. So now we have to know that what is principal, what is amount. Time is given, it is clearly 5 years, so we know that. Rate we are going to find out. Sum. So we are assuming that sum equal to rupees X. Becomes 8/5. Becomes means that is amount. Amount is 8/5 of itself. Itself means 8/5 of that sum. sum we are assuming that x, so amount equal to rupees 8 by 5 x. For calculating rate of interest, we need SI. So first we have to calculate SI. What is the formula? Like the previous question, formula SI equal to amount minus principal. Amount is given 8 by 5x minus principal, that is x. So we take LCM and calculate it. After that the SI equal to rupees 3 by 5x. And time is given 5 years. Rate formula 100 into SI divided by P into T, which is equal to 100 into SI, that is equal to 3 by 5x, P equal to x, and T equal to 5 years. So x cancel. After simplification you will get 12% per annum. So rate equal to 12% per annum. Always remember that the rate is some percentage per year, that is per annum. So rate equal to 12% per annum. Now move on to question number 8. Divide rupees 3000 into two parts such that the simple interest on the first part for 4 years at 8% per annum is equal to the simple interest on the second part for 2 years at 9% per annum. Here it is given there, the total money is given, that is 3000. It should be divided into two parts. So we have to assume that what is the first part and what is the second part. So we are assuming that the first part be rupees x. So second part will be total amount, that is 3000 minus x will be the second part. For the first part, principal we have written here. Then the time is given 4 years and rate of interest it is given 8% per annum. So first we have to calculate SI. SI equal to PRT by 100, which is equal to rupees, principal is x, into R 8 by 100 into time is 4 years. After simplification you will get the answer SI in terms of x, that is 8x by 25. This simple interest is for the first part. Now we have to calculate the second part, simple interest. What is the principal for second part? That is, we are assuming that that is rupees 3000 minus x, because the total money is 3000. 3000 minus the first part will be the second part, principal. Time equal to 2 years and rate equal to 9% per annum, it is given there. So SI equal to formula PRT by 100, which is equal to rupees, principal 3000 minus x, put it in the bracket, that is very important, because the total principal, there are two terms are there, so you will write it in the bracket only. Multiply by rate 9 by 100, multiply by time is 2 years. Now next step, rupees 9 2s are 18 into 3000 minus x in the bracket divided by 100. Now the each term of in the bracket will be multiplied by 18, which is equal to rupees 54,000 minus 18 into x, 18x divided by 100. Now you write it each term separately. Rupees 54,000 by 100 minus rupees 18x by 100. So which is after simplification you will get rupees 540 minus 18x by 100. This is the simple interest of the second part in terms of x. So according to the question, first part simple interest is equal to the second part simple interest. So the first part simple interest is equal to the second part SI. So first part SI is 8x by 25, which is equal to second part SI 540 minus 18x by 100. This is the equation. Now we have to solve it. First step is separation of variable together. That is 8x by 25 plus this minus 18x by 100 come this side after transposition plus 18x by 100, which is equal to 540. Then take LCM, that is 100, which is equal to 32x plus 18x by 100 is equal to 540. Then 50x is equal to 54,000. X is equal to 54,000 by 50, which is equal to 1080. So the value of x is equal to 1080. we are keeping the first part principal is x. So the first part is equal to rupees 1080. Second part we are keeping that rupees 3000 minus x. So rupees 3000 minus the value of x is 1080. After subtracting you will get 1920.